Oh, I see you standing there. I just wanna get out of here with you. Oh, baby, I'm with you. Oh, baby, with you. You're coming closer, I can feel it, and I don't know what to do. Oh, baby, what to do? What should I do? I want your body in my body.
Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day, and it is officially the first day of spring. And I have good news, my friends. I've officially found my seeds for my hydroponic. They were hiding in my cabinet. Why did I put them there? I have no idea. But I found them, and now it's time to grow some little seedlings. We have a couple things to do in regards to that. And then on top of that, we are going to decorate for Easter, because can you guys believe that is literally like around the corner? I got the cutest decorations from the dollar store, and I also got a tablecloth from Ross that just screams spring. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is my second time doing the hydroponic, and I did learn a few things. We should soak our seeds in water for about 3 hours. That way they kind of get really moist and expand a tiny bit right before we add it into the hydroponic itself. So I have cilantro, we have some lettuce. This was really good, so I'm going to make sure to have several of these because we actually ate quite a bit of salad from this. I have basil as well. This is the Italian sweet basil. It's not your traditional basil. I do have to get like your traditional basil, but this one, oh my gosh, I couldn't keep up with it. So this is a good one. And then we have spearmint. We're gonna add a little bit of this one for drinks, and we're gonna try rosemary. This one didn't thrive, so maybe if I just leave it in the water, it soaks up a little bit more moisture. Maybe that will help. So we're going to just add a tiny bit of water. I'm using these little glasses. So this is where we're gonna add that water and just let them soak in here. And then I'm going to place it right on top so I know which one's which. I have to get my label maker and make some labels to make sure to label everything once I place it in the hydroponic, because it gets a little confusing at first when you're not used to, when you can't really see the plant, you know? They're just little seeds. So I have to make sure that I really get it together. So we're going to start doing that. I'm also going to leave it here on my desk because this is a pretty tall desk. If I leave it somewhere else, the kids are gonna get to it and it's gonna be a disaster. So we don't want that to happen.
I don't know if I'm the one you want. Should I go, or should I leave this on? Because lately I've been getting this feeling that you might like me too. And just maybe I could take a little risk for you.
All right, it's been a hot minute since I've cleaned this hydroponic, and it looks pretty bad. A lot of this is like sediment, I don't know, like from the water. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna try to clean it, and then there is also roots inside. I never did clean this when I took like everything out last time I did this. So it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. Oh my gosh, look at this. So bad. Yeah. I might have to soak this. Oh, and look, the kids threw in stuff. Jeez. Look, you have like the dead roots. What? I think we might have to let this soak in water and a little bit of vinegar, and then we'll come back and scrub it. the grow sponges, and they look kind of like this. They're like little kind of triangles where you put the seeds in and then it grows. You do want to soak them for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what we gotta do. They come like a whole bunch and they come really small. They kind of look like this. They obviously expand the moment that water hits them. So I gotta count how many we need. 1, 6, okay, 12 total. And we're going to add water to this bowl and let them just expand. And then while that's happening, I'm gonna finish cleaning the hydroponic itself because it was a hot mess. There's still like a lot of hard water on it. I might have to grab like some vinegar and with this little rag, clean it. But it was dusty, it was pretty bad. And then I gotta clean the station where it normally resides in. So we got still quite a bit to do, but for now, we'll start with these. These do come with some vitamins, so normally it's 1 cap of each. We're gonna place these in here. Yeah. 2. What are these for? I have no idea. But 1 of each. We're going to dry this one off. We'll see in what shape it is, because it looks a little rough. Might have to clean it again. I gotta get like a spray bottle and add water and vinegar, because that really takes off like the hard surface of the calcium in the water, the residue that kind of tends to linger. Doesn't look bad though. It looks much better. That was pretty bad before. Might have a little bit more to clean like in this section. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little white. So I'm going to grab a tiny bit of this vinegar and rub it off. It's amazing what vinegar does, because I feel like it just really takes off that white residue so quickly. People use it for their bathrooms. We use it for our floors, but we buy one that's like already pre-made. People will make their own concoction, but I don't know. I'm scared to do that. I know a lot of women do it, but they already sell it made with vinegar. Why not? All right. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. So yeah, this rag trick definitely did the work. I'm so excited. I love this hydroponic. The basil is out of control. I gotta go buy the normal basil, because we have the sweet Italian and there's definitely a difference from your traditional basil, but still. Oh no, I'm missing a piece. This came with the lid and I thought I put it in here. Oh yeah, it's in here. Okay, here we go. But it looks good. So let's put it on. All right, look at that. It looks good. We're gonna dry this a little bit. All right. And now we're gonna place these inside. This is what holds the sponges. Let's transfer it and put it where it normally goes.
Suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky.
It's been about 10 minutes and they have definitely expanded. So we're going to place the hydroponic in its spot, whoop, and start to fill it up.
I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
We're back in business.
I wanna love.
I missed you, Hydroponic.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
I tried putting my spearmint, but I don't know, I think the seeds opened up in that short amount of time. So I'm just going to place the seeds directly in here and pour a little bit of water like right on top so that they get nice and wet. But we're almost done, and now we have to just place the little domes. I have to lower this because they're pretty small and they need that direct sunlight, and that's it. We have our hydroponic growing.
Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud.
Now, let's move on to decorating. So, I have a couple things from last year. One of them is this one, the little Happy Easter. Man, this thing is so old. It's old, y'all. And then within these little Easter baskets, I reuse them every year. I don't buy new ones. I place a lot of like decorations that we use throughout the year. So I have this cute little bunny. I also have this cute little chickadee. How cute. And then, let's see, each one has something different. This is the same little bunny, but with like a green bow tie. So cute. Love it. And then, oh, I forgot I bought this last year. It's an Easter mug. I got this from Target, pretty sure. And then we also have, another little tower of chickadees. I also keep this part and all the eggs I also keep in here, so I tend to reuse them every year. And then this one has a lot of banners. Some of these are from last year, some of these are like really, really old. But let me see if I can get them out. My little one found them and she started messing with them. Alright, so first up, we got this one. It is a bunny garland. Most of these I usually get at the dollar store, and I just reuse them throughout the years. And this one's so cute. I'm sorry if you hear the kids in the background. That's just the reality. But look how cute. They have this one, which I thought is adorable. Then there is this one. Oh my goodness, these are tangled. Some of these I may have gotten at Target as well. Honestly, I can't remember, but I save them. This one says Happy Easter. Yes. Agua? Over there, míralo. I have this egg one. It's a garland of gold eggs. This is so old, you guys. And then we have this fun streamer. I don't know. You got it. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one because this year I added some to the collection. These are more like spring. I thought these were cute. These were from the dollar store. They have these little flowers. They're very spring. We also have these little carrots. How cute. And then we have this little bunny one. So we gotta see which ones we're gonna use. Oh, and then last but not least, I got this tablecloth. And I thought it was adorable. I love it. It's so pretty. I think it's gonna look great. So let's get decorating. What are you doing, little girl? Oh, okay. Let's go.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna take off the Easter one and put the flowers for now, but leave the carrots because I feel like the carrots are more spring. And then when it's closer to Easter, I'll take out that one.
Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for good time. Yeah, flying like I'm weightless, yeah, I'm losing all my senses, and it's making it impossible to die. Everything's in motion.
Alright you guys, this completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We are really looking forward to spring. We are full of birthdays this month, so keep a lookout for some vlog videos. We're gonna be doing several things because my son's birthday is this month. Next birthday is my daughter's as well as my husband's. So it's like 3 birthdays in 1 month, literally, because they're all like within a month. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.